It's the harvest of the month. You guys, I'm so nervous for today's show. I heard they're gonna make salsa. We gotta get out of here. Wait for me, I'm just a little chilly. Hello everyone and welcome to our September Harvest of the Month. My name is Stephanie, I'm the culinary coordinator here at Idea Public Schools, and today I'm bringing to you my number one most favorite thing in the whole wide world, peppers. Farmer Thomas out in El Paso has been growing some beautiful peppers out in his farm, so let's hear a little bit from him.
Hi, my name is Farmer Tom, and I am the CNP farmer here at Idea Horizon Vista.
Hi, my name is Citrus, and I am the CNP assistant farmer here at Horizon Vista.
And today we're going to be talking to you about our spicy chile Puya. It's a really cool pepper that grows here in the Chihuahuan Desert, where we're located.
The Puya chili ranges from 5,000 to 8,000 Scoville units and has an aromatic, tangy, fruity, spicy flavor.
These peppers love to grow here in the Chihuahuan Desert, and you can look for them in our fresh salsa menu item coming soon.
Oh my gosh, I'm feeling so much FOMO right now not being in El Paso to try out these chiles puyas, but I'm so excited for all of those students. But you guys, let's not feel left out, okay? Because I have a special recipe for you at home. We're gonna make my roasted red salsa. Okay friends, so here in front of us today we've got all the usual ingredients for a salsa. We've got some tomato, onion, and cilantro, and we also have all these beautiful peppers. So just know that, we usually use like a jalapeno or even a serrano for salsas. That's what they're best known for. But don't be afraid to experiment. We've got all different ranges of spiciness with all these different peppers. And so if you're wanting something a little less spicy, maybe you'll even go with like a poblano or a bell pepper. Don't be afraid to experiment with different variations of ingredients for your salsa. No matter what you go with, it's gonna taste delicious. But for today's recipe, and to get to something about the same level of spiciness as those chiles puyas that we've got out in El Paso, we're gonna be using these beautiful red jalapenos. Salsa can be made so many different ways. We can saute it, we can boil it, and so many other methods. But for today, the flavors that we're trying to get, we're gonna go ahead and roast our salsa in the broiler. So all I'm gonna do is keep my tomatoes whole. I only need a little piece of my onion, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up. And we're gonna remove the stems from our jalapenos, massage all of our veggies in oil, and this is gonna go in the broiler for about 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, so our veggies are out of the oven. As you can see, they're nice and charred. Our onion got softened. We've got some blistering going on, and all of this is just gonna give some added flavor to our salsa. We've also let it cool down by now so that it's safe to put in our blender. And so from this point, all we're gonna do is put our veggies in the blender. I don't want a smooth consistency to my salsa. I want a nice chunky salsa. So we're gonna just pulse our blender until we get that consistency we want. All right, our salsa is ready. All we have to do now is pour it in our bowl. There we go. In our bowl. Oh my gosh, it's nice and chunky, just like I wanted it. I'm gonna leave some space in there because we're also gonna add some cilantro and a squeeze of lime. And here is our roasted red salsa. Thank you so much for joining us for our September Harvest of the Month. I hope you enjoyed this recipe just as much as I do. And don't forget to visit our Idea Public Schools website where you can find this recipe and so many more. And until next time, happy cooking!